your left side, keep on driving it down first. I don't want this film to touch anything. There you go, big boss.
Definitely a little difference in the old slip, but not bad.
Yeah, but the thing is that when you anchor them with this particular,
It's gonna set up a lot faster.
it's gonna, you know, not do all that moving left and right and whatever. You want to take a peek on the outside before, because that's gonna anchor. Yeah.
I just did.
All right. Sorry. I was over here with my nose with this recorder here trying to do a little documentation. Somebody was talking about those blue cards yesterday, they scratch and all that, but oh, I remember who. Some gentleman that resells film, I forgot his name. Hernandez. He said that that blue thing scratch. Has that blue scratch for you right now?
Nope.
At all? Nope. Not at all. So we always have to ask him, how do you use it?
Clean.
Yeah, how do you use it? And I need to see people's techniques. I need to see them do stuff because I want to know how it's doing it. Because somebody can just say, well, this is worth a fuck or whatever because I said so. Well, I want to see what's going on because I'm seeing you're training with that blue product, which is yours, and it's working perfect. Yep, just the way it was intended to do, right there. So the slip difference, you're okay with that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yeah. Let's go ahead and take a look at the exterior. Tell me how comfortable you are with the quality of what you're looking at versus what there was before. Be careful doing that when it's dry because it will move the film for sure. Sometimes it'll move it. Either lick it or just lubricate it before you touch it. The what, boss? The heat gun? You need it?
Yeah, I was gonna.
Oh, okay. It's right there. You can grab whichever one. Mr. Darius Warne, all the way from Washington.
No. Grand Rapids.
Grand Rapids, Michigan?
Yep.
Yes. Didn't I say Michigan? No? Yeah. Anyway, so he's coming here for some advanced tutorial on, window film application. As you can see, that was a bottom loading application, and he was used to doing two staging. Pretty much, that's what he does. How are you liking this bottom loading thing?
A lot faster once you get used to it.
How many patterns did it take for you to get used to it?
About 10.
Not bad, because now is the beginning of a new future for you. Bottom loading, it didn't take a whole lot, but definitely, one-on-one tutorials, there's going to be a finger there at the bottom. You can do it with a heat gun just so you can kind of like do it with a heat gun. It's better. That way it's dry, and then do it with a blue plain, a lick, and then all that, and he will remain there at the bottom. Just for efficiency, just for being faster. About 8 inches away. There you go, we're good. 8 inches away, and boom. He should be gone. Yeah?
No scratches either.
Nope, I know. Good?
Yeah.
All right, my man. We will continue with hand cutting, of course, on the back door. This real nice vent, which has a couple of little, curvatures or deep recesses and stuff like that. He has nailed the other one really, really nice. So it's going, man. I'll talk to you guys later. Perhaps show him how to do that Cali rolled inside. He already knows how to do that. Just some minor things that he really wanted to learn. So Mr. Darius Warne from Michigan.